What's up? Yo guys, imagine me. I'm here later after training. Actually guys, I'm in Taekwondo, dude. Okay. I just don't know how to record this because I'm on iPad. See? I have this. So how do I... Oh, just like that. Okay. You cannot see it. Oh, like this. Like this. Oh, can you see now? Oh, yeah, right there. You can see now, right? You can see now. So guys, how can I do this when I don't want to show you my face because I'm too ugly. Wait now. I'm just gonna get a blanket, then wear it over me. And bro, I just don't want you to see my body cause I'm too fat. Okay? Okay, let's go. Yo guys, let's go. Let's go guys. Let's go guys. Let's take apart these guys. And bro, did you guys see me? Wait, bro. I just wanted you to know that I was a Filipino and here is how money I've been saving for. And bro, look how it's too many. Like, bro, this is 8,000. All of this is 8,000. And I have a bank account that has 10,000. Like, bro. Yo bro, if I hit 50 subscribers, I would always go to live. Okay, we gotta take this off, this sweater. Okay, we put it there. Here also, put it there. Here, put it there. And also, okay, this is where I want you to see this, okay? I want you to see this. I want you guys to see this, but first, I will just do something. Wait guys, wait me guys. So now guys, you cannot see my face. What's up guys? Hello, this is me. Okay? Okay. Wait. I cannot see much. There, right there. Can you see my face? No. Okay, just like that. Then you will just like this. Okay. Okay, we just gonna do this. And I'll show you my shelter. Wait, no. We do this first, so you guys can see it. Okay, guys. Okay. I'm gonna go here, wait. I see a mark like this. You guys can see it properly. Okay. I don't know how to do it. But you guys can see it, right? Oh my god. Oh my god. Okay. Bye everyone. Bye.